Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make some juice, and we're making some pineapple juice. I wanted to do a tropical mixed juice, but I decided to go easy today, so I'm just going to be having some pineapples as the main ingredients. With me here I have my pineapples, and these are two pineapples that I bought at 30 shillings each, so these are a total of 60 shillings. I have some hibiscus tea, but it is not yet sweetened. I have some mint leaves that have been growing in my balcony garden. I have a lemon, I have some ginger, and since my hibiscus tea is not yet sweetened, I'm going to go with honey, or you can also use sugar depending on what you prefer. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is another simple recipe kama kawaida. So I'm going to go in with my ginger, just a small pinch, and this is going to help in reducing the sweetness of the pineapples, because these pineapples are very sweet. I'll go in with my mint leaves, and this is such an easy plant to grow. You can also grow it. You just take like this, then unadungilia kwa mchanga, and it will continue growing with time. That should be enough. Then for this you can also use water. That's totally okay, and I have a recipe on hibiscus tea. You can check that out. This is just water with some hibiscus flower, so that's what I'm going to be adding. And I ought to have added the pineapples before the hibiscus, and these pineapples are very sweet, ziko na sukari mingi. And as I mentioned, it's totally okay to use water. If I didn't have the hibiscus, I would have used water, but do not and never use milk while you're using some pineapples, because vitu zitaanza kuporomoka kwa tumbo yako. So that's it. Then I'll come back on the honey later. Then we are going to start blending that. So I'll proceed to blend this, and once I feel like the water is not enough, I'm just going to add some more hibiscus tea. So I've been blending this for about 2 minutes now, and I'm going to taste if I need to adjust my sugar. Oh, this is just perfect. And as you can also notice, it is very thick, so I'm just going to add some little bit of more water. This doesn't need to be sweetened as such, but because I'm going to be adding some more water, I'm just going to go in with about a spoon of honey. Then I'm going to squeeze in my lemon. Then I'll add some more water kiasi too. Then that should be okay. I'm going to blend this for about 30 or so seconds, then our juice should be ready. And as you've seen, it was that easy preparing this juice. I'm going to give this a taste test. Wow. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. 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 Wow. It's such a refreshing juice, and as you've seen, just use a few ingredients that you probably have at your home. So the hibiscus tea, you can check out the recipe. I'm going to pin it at the end, and that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you give this a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.